Complex 3 of the electron transport chain accepts electrons from ubiquinol and transfers them to the electron carrier cytochrome C. It consists of an iron sulfur center, two B type cytochromes Bl and Bh, and cytochrome C1. The process by which electrons are transferred from ubiquinol to cytochrome C is known as Q cycle. Q cycle consists of two mini cycles called half cycles. Coenzyme Q is a hydrophobic and an uncharged molecule and hence can migrate along the hydrophobic core of the membrane. One ubiquinol diffuses to the QP binding site of the complex 4 adjacent to the iron sulfur protein at the P phase, that is the cytosolic phase of the mitochondrial membrane. One electron is transferred to iron sulfur protein and the second electron is transferred to cytochrome Bl, and the two protons from ubiquinol is released to the P phase. Iron sulfur protein transfers the electron along the chain to cytochrome C1, which ultimately transfers this to cytochrome C. Cytochrome C is a mobile component of the electron transport chain and it transports the electron from complex 3 to the complex 4. It carries one electron at a time. From cytochrome Bl, the electron moves to cytochrome Bh. Cytochrome Bh then transfers its electron to ubiquinone at the Qn site of the complex 3. Ubiquinone is thus reduced to form Ub semiquinone at the Qn site. Now a second ubiquinol molecule is oxidized at the QP site. The process follows in the same way and second electron causes the reduction of Ub semiquinone to ubiquinol at the Qn site. Two protons are taken from the matrix for this purpose. Ubiquinol then goes back to the pool and the Q cycle is completed. Complex 4 or cytochrome C oxidase catalyzes the transfer of electrons from the reduced form of cytochrome C to molecular oxygen, eventually resulting in the formation of water molecule. Complex 4 consists of 13 subunits and it contains two heme groups, that is cytochrome A and cytochrome A3 and 3 copper ions arranged as 2 copper centers. These 2 copper centers are designated as A and B. Copper A center contains 2 copper ions linked by 2 bridging cysteine residues. The second center, copper B, is coordinated by 3 histidine residues. Cytochrome C transports electrons one at a time to the complex 4. Within this complex, electrons are transferred first to copper A center, then to cytochrome A, next to copper B center and cytochrome A3, and finally to oxygen, the ultimate electron acceptor, forming water molecule. Together, cytochrome A3 and copper B forms the active center at which oxygen is reduced to water. For each electron transferred from cytochrome C to oxygen, one proton is transported from the matrix to the intermembrane space. So a total of 4 electrons are transferred for each oxygen molecule, reduced to 2 water molecules. Electron flow in the electron transport chain is accompanied by proton transfer across the mitochondrial membrane, producing both a chemical gradient and an electrical gradient. The inner mitochondrial membrane is impermeable to protons. Protons can re-enter the matrix only through proton-specific channels. Example, enzyme complex ATP synthase. ATP synthase catalyzes the formation of ATP. The proton motive force generated due to the transfer of electrons across the electron transport chain drives protons back into the matrix, and this provides the energy for the ATP synthesis.